Virgin Galactic announced their earnings last week. To be precise, it was actually on a Tuesday of last week, and the price action was a nothing burger. Now let's zoom out to the monthly chart. And I had figured that price was bottoming out, but that's not the case. We can see that a bit better on the daily chart, the weekly chart. And so what we do have is the makings of a double bottom. And the question is, why didn't this resistance support band hold? Well, the fact that price could not take out this weekly sellers level at $2.65 kind of gave us the indication that the sellers were in control. And if you look a little closer, you can actually see a double top, which is a bearish reversal. And if you look at the price action, it forms a W, which is a bearish reversal pattern. And typically when you form an M pattern, typically you short right there at the trough. Now before we continue with the analysis and see how much potential lower price can go, let's look at this article, 3 things you need to know from their earnings last week. So space tourism company Virgin Galactic reported full year 2023 earnings at the end of February. This closed out a record year for space flights in which the company flew its VSS Unity space plane 7 times and tripled its annual revenue. And what did that mean for the company's multi-year history of losing money and burning cash? Well, losses increased by $2 million and cash burn grew by 24%. So here's 3 things you need to know about the earnings call. In 2021, Virgin Galactic famously offered to fly tourists to the edge of the space for as little as $200,000 a ticket. According to the company, 600 would-be astronauts took Virgin Galactic up on its offer, encouraging the company to raise prices for its next batch of tickets to $450,000 apiece in 2022. But with Virgin still losing money, the company has decided to raise prices again, this time to $600,000 a ticket. That's pretty insane. Now, Virgin Galactic's longer range plans continues to hinge on the Delta space plane, resembling Unity in most respects. Delta would differ from Unity in that Delta will strip out excess weight to enable a full complement of 6 paying passengers per flight. Combined with $600,000 ticket prices, this could generate $3.6 million in revenue per flight. Multiply that by an anticipated 8 flights per month, and that would mean $29 million in revenue per month, or $86 million per quarter, and $346 million per year per space plane. Virgin says Delta will bring flight tests in 2025 and enter service in 2026, flying out of Spaceport America in New Mexico. Now, the CEO estimates that there's a total of about 300,000 people potentially willing to be able to ante up that kind of cash worldwide, and the market is growing 8% annually, probably thanks to crypto and thanks to meme coins. If he's right, then 2,400 customers a year is only 1% of the growing market, and if the market grows 8% per year, Virgin could literally never run out of customers. But they got to get there first, and until they get there, we saw Monday we have this extended range red candle. At a minimum, prices are going to retest all-time lows. And if you look on the daily chart, what you can see is prices are making lower highs and lower lows. And we just broke the pivot low, signifying more downside risk. Again, how low can we go? We're at least going to test all-time lows, which on a bigger time frame would imply a double bottom. Let's see how the next week or two pans out, but I would not be a buyer of Virgin Galactic at this time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.